Hello, everyone. Welcome on Kibonobono Media. We are teachers on Kibonobono Media. My name is Cynthia Nyonguru. I'm together with.
Ntakirundu.
So today, we are going to talk some points about English. We are going to talk about the importance of learning English or knowing English.
Yeah.
So welcome. Let's get started.
Yeah. Thank you very much, my friend,
Yeah.
my colleague, Cynthia. I'm very happy to be here today, just to talk about the importance of English language, not only here in Burundi, but wherever we go, because we carry language in our brain. So to make it short, I'm going to tell you what is English language. So English language is a language that is spoken in the world. Is the most widely spoken and influential languages in the world. It is spoken as the first language by over millions of people, and it is spoken as a second language by over billions of people. Yeah, you understand that half of the countries of the world speak English, and it's obvious that wherever you can go, in any country you can go, you can find at least one person
Yeah.
that you can talk to in English. It is also a language that is dominant in international business,
Yeah.
in aviation, yeah, in entertainment,
Yeah.
in science, and in technology. Yeah, that is English language in short.
Thank you so much,
Okay.
Teacher Edward. We've heard that English is the most spoken language all over the world.
All right.
So why English is important in our life?
Okay.
It's very important in our life. As my friend Edward has already said, it is the most spoken language all over the world.
Absolutely.
And also, we can say that it is a language which facilitates communicators.
Okay.
So imagine you are Kenya, there is a Kenyan, and you are
Okay.
Burundian or
Okay.
Zambian. You meet with a Kenyan, Zambian,
All right.
and you don't know their
Native
their
language.
their native language.
And they know your native language.
Yeah, yes. In that case, you have to use English
Yeah.
as
Lingua franca.
lingua franca.
Right.
Yes, a language of communication.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it. English language is also important in education.
Yeah.
So
for
you know,
sure.
most international languages in the world teach in English. Give their courses in English language. So when you cannot speak, when you cannot understand English,
Yeah.
so you're gonna face some difficulties in these universities.
Yeah, for
And
sure.
it is also very difficult for students to ask questions. I remember last summer I taught English to two girls.
Yeah.
They studied in Rwanda. Yeah, in English system, and it was difficult for them just to communicate, to ask questions in a class because they knew French.
Yeah.
They spoke French, and they were studying in an English system.
Yeah.
Just to pose questions, to interact with other learners, classmates, it was
Yeah.
difficult for them.
Yeah, and also that happened to me also.
All right.
Yeah, I remember
Yeah.
that I went to learn to Zambia, and because I was going new system, English system, it was very difficult for me.
Okay.
The only thing I know was only greetings. So imagine greetings when you are in class.
Okay.
It was really very difficult for me.
I understand.
Yeah.
Yes, those students really face some difficulties in learning.
Yeah.
And also, you know, most academics books,
Yeah.
you know, are written in English. And the online courses, for example, you can learn about technology like cybersecurity,
Yeah.
hospitality. You learn those courses in English.
Yeah.
You know that. And if you understand English, it is easy for you to learn from videos on YouTube, on Instagram,
Yeah.
on Facebook,
For sure.
yeah, things like that.
Yeah.
That is something that is very, very, very important.
Yeah.
One more thing, which is very, very important. You know, some scholarships. Some scholarship require English proficiency. Yeah, you know, some people, you know, some foreign learners go to pass some tests like IES, okay, just to apply to those universities. So they require English proficiency, whether you can speak, you can understand English.
Yeah, that is very interesting.
All
I hope
right.
that you're understanding the reason why English is very important in
All
our
right.
lives.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Edward. And also, you have to know that much information
Yeah.
is in English.
It's in English.
So, my friend, if you want to sharpen your mind, if you want to know many things, different things in different domain, even if you want to know more about the domain you are doing, your career, you have to know English because you get much information about it.
All right, yeah,
We are, it doesn't mean that there's no information in French. Yes, there is, but it is not enough. But in English, there is enough information.
All right.
Yeah.
You know that I like English novels. I like reading novels in English because
Yeah.
recently in the last 2 months or 3 months, I've been reading different books. You
Yeah.
know, I've grown personally and professionally because of reading
Yeah.
books. Those books are really not really important.
Very.
I don't know why. I don't know how they do it. Those English speakers, those English writers, but English language in those books is very essential.
Yeah, very,
Yeah.
very.
Very essential. And there is something also that people need to know when they are why they need to learn English. The reason why, just you know, have you ever traveled? There are some people who travel. You know, they travel and they don't know how to speak English.
Yeah.
They don't know how to check in and out in a hotel.
Yeah.
For example, you are in hotel room. You need food. It's time to eat, or you need Wi-Fi, and you don't know how to make a request.
Yeah.
Sorry, I need something. You know, here network is not working. It's unstable. There's no
Yeah.
Wi-Fi. You don't know how to even to make complaints in
Yeah.
English. That is something that is very very difficult.
Yeah.
You are walking in the street. You don't know how to ask. Please, can you show me the way to? You don't know. You don't know even how to say hello. Please, may I ask a question? You know, in those countries,
Yeah.
even here in Africa,
Yes.
many people use English for communication.
Yeah.
Communicating with strangers, with foreigner people, they use English. If you want
Yeah.
to ask something, where you want to go, you need to use English language,
Sure.
as it is the dominant, as it is the global language in the world.
Yeah, thank you so much,
Yeah.
Teacher Edward. That is
Okay.
really very important.
Okay.
Yeah, it is really bad if you don't know how to speak up for yourself.
Imagine like that.
Yeah, you don't know how to speak up for yourself. You go to the restaurants.
Okay.
You are in the country where they use English, and you don't know how to make an order.
Okay.
You are given a menu,
Okay.
and you don't know if you can even what is written there.
Yeah, just
You
like
don't understand.
a menu for you. You think like this is like a paper.
Yeah, it's like
You
a
don't know.
paper.
They give you the menu and you just sit and wait for the waitress or waiter to ask something, right?
You just think, okay, this,
Give me this and
yeah,
that.
this,
Okay.
and you don't know if you will be able to eat that kind of food.
Okay,
so.
they will ask you where are you from, and they say I'm from Burundi. Oh my God, in Burundi, do they learn English in Burundi?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we learn English in Burundi, but many people do not understand the importance of English language,
Yeah.
especially in a travel. Just like you said, speaking up for yourself.
Yeah.
For example, you may stuck in somewhere and you encounter the police, you
Yeah.
know, and they ask you, where are you from?
Yeah.
What are you doing here?
Yes.
Do you have documents?
Yeah.
And you cannot express yourself. My
Imagine
friend.
you don't know even how to say about yourself.
Yourself.
Your identity, where you're from, your
Uh,
name. You don't know whether they ask you your name
Yeah.
or the country. I don't know, things like that.
Next year you will end up in a prison.
Yeah, of course, just because of the language.
Okay,
Huh?
I'm laughing, but it is very it's so sad.
Sad, very sad. Yeah.
It's so sad.
Terribly
And,
sad.
Also, English is very important
Uh-huh.
for the people who use social media. You know, I like to read comments on social media.
Yeah.
When there is a post,
Uh-huh.
I just scroll the comments to read, and some comments are funny.
Yeah.
Some some comments are essential, are very important. They help me. They help me learn from different people, different ideas on
Yeah.
social media. And if you are influencer, and you just when you are speaking on social media like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook.
YouTube also.
Yes, when you speak and you are using English, you are not just talking to Burundians.
Yeah.
You are not just talking to Rwandans or just you are talking to the world. Yeah, your message reach the wide audience.
Yeah.
Even
Yes.
people from America, Australia, Canada, they're going to get your message, to
Yeah.
understand what you mean.
Yes.
Yeah,
For
that
sure.
that is something that is very very important.
Yeah. Very, very.
About social media. Yeah.
To mean that your message will reach many people and many people will understand what you are saying because it is the most spoken language, as we have already said.
Yeah, even some platforms, yeah, as I said, Facebook, even some apps,
Yeah.
mobile apps, they use English on on internet.
Yes.
That's why even when you are making a research,
Yeah.
for example, you are a student, you are just making a research, you write something on Google,
Yeah.
and you are given some information on Google,
Yeah.
and it is easy to understand.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, of course.
That's something good.
So we have heard many things about learning English.
Okay.
We have heard many things about learning English, the
Yeah.
importance of knowing and learning English.
Okay.
But there is one problem. Though English has many, though English is very important,
All right.
many people, just when they start English class, they abandon before reaching to their goal, of course, of knowing it.
Okay.
Now we're going to discuss some points about why that happened.
Okay.
Yeah.
So many students, when they start learning English, they just drop out. But for different reasons. Yeah. Just the first reason is just lack of motivation. Lack of motivation.
Yeah.
Some learners start learning English because of just pressure.
Yeah, pressure.
Pressure from their family. Pressure from their friends.
Yeah.
So how pressure from their family? What is that? It's for example, a father can tell just a kid, I just want you to learn English. English is very important, but these kids doesn't feel like they want to start learning English, and they are going to start just because of their parents. It is not their desire.
Yeah.
Just to learn, and from friends' pressure. You can see, all my friends are learning English, even though I don't feel to. I don't want to. Maybe I just want to start English class. This is not good.
Yeah,
You are not feeling just you want to learn English. Just you want to follow.
Yeah.
Blindly other people's purpose, other
Yeah.
people's vision, goals. So this is not your vision. This is not your desire. Yeah. It means learning English. You have to feel like you want it. It is from you. Yeah, that is something that is very important. Just learn English without any pressure. Pressure from work, because an employer can say, here I need employees who can express themselves, who can communicate. And you start learning, but it is not in your heart.
Yeah.
Just learning. No, that isn't why people fail.
So here we mean that you have to learn it willingly, okay?
Yeah, willingly.
Yeah, willingly.
That's the correct word.
Yeah.
I was looking for.
Thank you so much. To mean that we have to be motivated. We
Yeah.
have to learn it willingly.
Yeah.
And also there is this point of lack of passion. Many
Okay.
students or many learners, when they come with these expectations,
Okay.
like in 2-3 months I will be able to express to express myself in English, or I know English, but that is not.
That is something impossible.
Yeah, impossible.
Even me, I have such experience. There are some students, they come and say, teacher, I want to learn English in 1 week. Please.
Yeah.
Oh my God. And I say, that is impossible. Learning English is a gradual process. You cannot just wake up today and you read things, you listen to the music, or you watch movies, you just start English classes, and you think you can speak English in 1 week.
Yeah.
That is not possible.
Yeah, it is not
You know,
possible.
you have to be patient,
Patient.
in your journey. It takes time because learning English takes time to make mistakes.
Yeah.
Just it takes time to improve. Yeah, they have to understand that.
Yeah, they have to understand that you have to be patient.
Right.
You have to be patient because it's true that when you work hard, you can know it fast.
All right.
Yeah. When you work hard, you can know it. You
Yeah,
can
there
know
are some
it.
students who work day and night. Just they try to learn English. They use some videos. They read.
Yeah.
They ask questions. Sometimes they send messages in
Yeah.
WhatsApp. They ask me, "Oh, teacher, you know, I have a question. I would like to ask you. I would like to ask this and this." And I reply.
Yeah, you see that they are working hard.
Yeah, they are
so
working
imagine you go to class and you learn, and then when you go home, you don't revise anything, and you come back to class while there's nothing in your head,
All right.
and you are expecting to know it fast. No, you have to work hard.
Yes,
Yeah.
English. Some people say English is easy. They don't want to start learning, and they say, okay, if I encounter an opportunity, I will just study. No, there's no problem. I will just study. But English is not easy when you don't work.
Yeah.
Everything is not easy when you are not working.
Yeah.
You need to work hard. Not just hard, but smart. Also smart.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Yeah, that is very important. Not only hard, but also smart.
Also smart. Okay, and
And also, there's this point: busy schedule.
okay.
Busy schedule.
Okay, what is busy schedule?
When we say
people need to understand.
Yeah, we need to understand what is busy schedule. Is when you come in class but you don't attend regularly,
Okay.
because maybe you have other responsibilities
Right.
like work, family responsibilities,
Okay.
and
You are just a
school.
student.
Yeah, school also.
All right.
Yeah.
Work.
Yeah, so most of time you abandon just because you have busy schedule. You know, most of time I ask myself,
All right.
did they ask themselves before coming?
Okay.
Before coming, learn to see if they will be able to make it at
Whether
the
they
same
have
time. Yeah.
Yeah. Because some people, I know some people, some students that I had some students when I asked, why were you absent last time? Just I have family responsibility.
Yeah.
I was at wedding. Just I was very busy, but I couldn't come. And I asked, learning English is just sacrifice.
Yeah, of course.
When you
it's a
start
sacrifice.
learning English, you sacrifice your schedules. Some parties, some journey. Things like that. Yeah.
So here we mean what? You have to engage yourself.
Yeah.
You have to engage yourself, and also you have to know that learning is a choice
Okay.
and decision you have to make every day. Thank you. And there are others who have fear of speaking.
All right.
But you have to know that making mistake is part of learning. There's no
Yeah.
problem if you make mistake.
All right.
It's a part of learning.
Yeah, and also, that
Yeah,
is something
fear,
that is very interesting. Some students, some of them, they can, they can express themselves in English, but the problem is fear.
Yeah, fear.
What you're talking about? Some just
most of the time I'm surprised when you ask them to write.
Yeah.
They write many things, but
Okay.
they are not able to speak it.
to speak.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some of them are afraid of making mistakes.
Yeah.
But they have to understand that mistakes are just part of learning.
Yeah.
Just speak. English language is just a second language,
Yeah, it's a second language. We're not native.
Even
it's okay to make
even
mistake.
if our mother tongue, we just make mistakes.
Yeah, of course.
We make mistakes. So I would like to encourage them.
Yes.
Just not to be afraid. Just to speak. All we want is just communication.
Yeah.
Just they can express themselves wherever they go.
Yes.
They can understand people.
Yeah.
They can speak up for themselves. That's it.
Because speaking will also improve your English.
Yeah, and they need to practice because practice makes it perfect.
You cannot just keep writing notes, You have also to speak.
Yeah, when you
Yeah.
are writing, you need to write and speak.
Yeah.
Writing, speak.
Yeah.
And even listening.
Yes.
Yeah, that's something that is very good.
Yeah.
And there's something also which is unfriendly environment, learning environment. There are some teacher
Yeah.
who start teaching students, and those students maybe in a class there are 10 students or 5. Those 5 students, all of them have different levels.
Yeah.
They have different levels. The
Is
one
there
is
any problem if you are teaching
yeah.
students with different levels?
There's a big problem because
And
the
what is
lesson,
it?
yeah, the lesson is always boring. Yeah.
How?
Yeah, it's boring because some students can speak and others cannot. And when you are helping those who cannot speak, those who can are bored and they feel impatient.
Yeah.
They cannot wait. That's why lesson is boring. So something here I just want to make it clear is that teachers have to assess their students' level before they are just put together in one class.
Yeah, maybe for that they can just give them diagnostic tests.
Yeah.
Diagnostic tests to check
To
their
check their levels.
Yeah, their
Yeah,
levels.
just beginners, intermediate, advanced, in different classes.
Yes.
Also,
thank you.
teaching style. Teaching style is a big problem. For example, you always teach grammar. You don't give students just time to speak, to express themselves, because what they want when they are from home, they want to speak. They want to interact with other learners to assess their levels, to see if they can speak, and when they speak, they enjoy. So, but if you're a teacher and you don't know what your students want, you don't need your students' needs.
Yeah.
Just this is gonna be a problem.
And also there is this about your teaching material.
Yeah.
Sometimes you choose a teaching material which is
which doesn't match the
match.
level.
Yeah, thank you. Which doesn't match their
the
level.
of your students.
So you have to choose the teaching material which matches their level.
Right.
Yeah.
That is something that is very important.
Yes.
And that is
sure.
also some poor learning habits. Poor learning habits. What is that? It's when the students they do not attend regularly in a class. For example, a student can come. You have a schedule. You study on Monday, 3 p.m. Tuesday, Wednesday, 3 p.m. and Friday, 3 p.m. And your student can attend on Monday, 3 p.m. Next time, on Wednesday, they are absent. Okay, and they come back on a Friday. This is really something. This is something that is not good in learning journey.
Yeah.
There have to be some regular class.
Yes.
Yeah, regular class. Yeah, that's it. And you understand that when you don't attend regularly, there is a lack of connection.
Yeah, lack of connection
Between teacher and a student. Between teacher and a student. When there is this lack of connection, because a language happens in the brain. So the mind of a teacher have to be connected with the mind of a student.
And
So
when
that's-
you come back, you
Okay.
see that others have improved.
Yeah.
And you feel like,
Yeah, they are far away from you. And
yes,
the
that should
student
be,
that you left when they couldn't speak,
Yeah.
now they are speaking.
yes, that would be the reason to quit, to say, I'm doing nothing here.
Yeah, and
Yeah,
you
that
dro-
should be the reason to drop.
Yeah, and you drop.
Yeah, so we have to attend regularly
Regular classes.
regularly classes.
Yeah, that is something that is
Thank
very
you.
important. Yeah.
Thank you so much. And also, we're going to talk about the importance of English in the jobs and markets.
That is something that is very important.
Yeah, that is really
English and job market.
Yeah, that
Okay.
is really very, very important, and
Okay.
is the last point of today. Employees with good English are often well paid because they are able to communicate with foreign customers.
Okay.
Yeah, they are able to communicate with foreign customers.
They sign international contract.
Yeah, they sign international contract. They are able to handle international projects and to work with the global team.
Okay.
So, my friends, you have to know it, and fast as possible,
And
or soon as possible.
Some people when they went to work outside abroad, like in Dubai or wherever, they just struggle with speaking. They something that we have said they cannot speak up for themselves.
Yeah,
And they are not promoted.
yeah.
So if you speak English there in English-speaking countries, and
Yeah.
you are foreigner, you are promoted,
Yes.
and you are well paid because
Yeah,
you
of
can
course.
communicate. That is something that is very important.
You know, even in the French-speaking countries.
Okay.
Yeah, even in French-speaking countries.
Yeah. You got this kind of promotion, and you're given the positions that are that are very good.
Yeah, in few words, we can say that English is the key of the success.
That's why I would like to encourage to tell people, young generations of
Yeah.
now, generations of the future, this is the right investment.
Yeah.
Invest in a language,
Yes.
because English is not just a subject of at the university or wherever, but it is just a tool of communication.
Yeah.
And then when there is communication, there is everything.
Yes.
Business is going well. You just make new friends. You connect with the people around the world.
Yes.
That is something that I really like. For example, for me, I have now some new friends
Yeah.
from around the world. And, I enjoy when I'm talking to them. We share culture.
Yeah.
We share ideas.
Yes.
Yeah, things like that. And I feel like one day I will visit them because I'm not afraid. I can speak English. I can communicate.
Yeah, thank you so much, Edward.
Yeah.
So this is the end of our discussion.
Okay.
Here at Kibonobono, we have an English center.
Yeah.
You're welcome. We are here as teachers to help you
Okay.
in that journey of knowing English.
Yeah, that is something that is very interesting.
Yeah. So on the mic, there was Cynthia Nyonguru.
And Edouard Ntakirundu. Behind the camera, there was zombie cameraman. And I would like to invite people to give us feedback. And if you want the second part of this English discussion, drop it in the comment. Thank you
So
very much.
the first point was the importance. Tell us the importance of knowing English.
Yeah.
Maybe we didn't say all the points, and also tell us things which make people to drop school English before reaching their goal of learning English.
Yeah,
Thank you so
very
much for watching. See you next
Bye-bye.
time.
See you soon.